How to fix iPhone apps not updating in iOS 18. Hey guys, in today's video I'm going to show you how to fix the issue of iPhone apps not updating in iOS 18.1. Let's get started. First, check your internet connection. Open App Store, tap on your profile picture at the top right corner, and check for any pending updates. If there are any, tap Update All. Check available storage, go to Settings, tap on General, then iPhone Storage. Ensure you have enough free space for app updates. If your storage is full, delete unwanted apps or data. Check date and time settings. Sometimes incorrect date and time settings can cause update issues. Swipe back to General. Scroll down and tap on Date and Time. Here, make sure Set Automatically is toggled on. Sign out and sign back into your Apple ID. In Settings, tap on your Profile tab and scroll down to Sign Out. After signing out, then sign back in with your Apple ID. Clear App Store cache. Open the App Store and tap on any of the tabs, Today, Games, Apps, or Arcade 10 times in a row. This will clear the cache and may fix the issue with app updates. And that's it! Hopefully, these steps will fix the issue of apps not updating on your iPhone in iOS 18.1. If you found this video helpful, be sure to like, comment, and subscribe for more tips and tricks. See you in the next video.